Are you a music lover who has always dreamed of playing the guitar like a rock star? Do you find yourself captivated by the mesmerizing melodies and powerful chords that emanate from this iconic instrument? If so, you are not alone. Many aspiring musicians have embarked on their musical journey with the guitar as their weapon of choice. However, mastering your first guitar chords can be challenging and frustrating at times. But fear not. In this article, we will reveal the secrets to help you conquer those initial hurdles and start rocking out like a pro. Understand the emotional objectives. Before diving into the technical aspects of learning guitar chords, it's important to understand why this skill is so important to you emotionally. Are you seeking an outlet for self-expression? Do you want to impress your friends or potential romantic interests with your musical prowess? By identifying these emotional objectives, it becomes easier to stay motivated throughout your learning journey. Unique rationale. Unleash your inner musician. Learning how to play guitar chords is not just about memorizing finger placements. It's about tapping into your inner musician and expressing yourself through music. By mastering these foundational skills, you open up countless opportunities for creativity and self-discovery. Start with basic chords. What you need. When starting out on your guitar journey, it's essential to begin with basic chords such as C major, G major, D major, E minor, and A minor. These fundamental chords provide an excellent foundation for building more complex chord progressions later on. Why practice makes perfect? Practice makes perfect. A well-known phrase that holds true when learning any new skill, including playing guitar chords. Regular practice sessions are crucial in developing muscle memory and finger dexterity required for smooth transitions between different chords. How often should you practice? Consistency is key when it comes to practicing guitar chords. Aim for at least 30 minutes of practice every day, or a minimum of 5 days per week. By establishing a consistent practice routine, you will progress much faster and build confidence in your abilities. Utilize online resources. The power of technology. In this digital age, we are fortunate to have an abundance of online resources available at our fingertips. Websites, apps, and YouTube tutorials offer step-by-step guidance on learning guitar chords. Take advantage of these tools to enhance your learning experience. Seek professional guidance. The benefits of lessons. While online resources are valuable, nothing beats the guidance and expertise of a professional guitar teacher. Enrolling in lessons with an experienced instructor can provide personalized feedback, address any technique issues early on, and accelerate your progress. Overcoming frustration. Embrace the learning curve. Learning guitar chords can be frustrating at times. Fingers may ache, transitions may feel awkward, but remember that every great guitarist started from scratch too. Embrace the learning curve as part of the process and celebrate small victories along the way. Expand your repertoire. Explore different genres. Once you have mastered the basic chords, it's time to expand your repertoire by exploring different genres that interest you. Whether it's rock and roll or blues or even classical music, experimenting with various styles helps broaden your musical horizons and keeps things exciting. Practice chord progressions. Building musicality. To truly master playing guitar chords like a pro, focus on practicing chord progressions rather than individual chords in isolation. This approach trains your ear to recognize common patterns in songs and develops your ability to transition smoothly between different chord shapes. In conclusion, embarking on a journey to master your first guitar chords is both challenging and rewarding. By understanding the emotional objectives behind wanting to learn this skill and embracing the process, you can unlock your inner musician and start rocking out like a pro. Remember to practice consistently, utilize online resources, seek professional guidance when needed, and explore different genres to expand your musicality. With dedication and perseverance, you will soon find yourself strumming those chords with confidence and joy. So grab your guitar, unleash your passion for music, and let the world hear your melodious journey unfold.